Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft the brick street light in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event, and at this event you can craft any special event and one of them is this brick street light. And to craft this street light is very easy. First you need to unlock the recipe first. You can unlock or you can get this recipe from the battle pass like this. You need reach level 25 first, and after you get this recipe just go to your workbench like this and then just tap on craft and then just search for the street light, the brick street light like this. And then in here you need complete the ingredients. It's need rare timber and then ore and then modular brick material pack. And then after that adjust the amount that you want and then just tap on craft and then just tap on hold to continue like this. Like this, you can see it. You successfully create the brick street light like this, and it will add it to your inventory like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.